last class we were discussing on MM derivation day before yesterday. Yesterday we were discussing on the planned cost and actual cost. Okay. So yeah, Rajeshekar, what do you know on estimated cost? Or what is any condition? What is estimated cost or something? Rajeshekar.
Ha, sir. Yeah, please ask me, sir.
Yeah, estimated cost. What is estimated cost? What do you know? Let me know something on estimated cost.
Yes, sir. Yeah, actually, estimated cost is just it is a cost to estimate how much it will, how much cost. It is a imaginary cost, sir. So how much can maintenance work able to get some cost? So actually, this estimation cost in work order, in once it is mentioned, na, so after releasing of work order, we cannot edit it the estimated cost. So
Yes.
this is just to process. It is not any important for that, sir. It is just
I got
information. Just
after
information.
release, after release, you cannot edit the estimated cost. That is very important point.
Right.
Where and all you can enter the estimated cost. Which places you can enter the estimated cost? Which places you can enter the estimated cost? Oh my God.
That's sorry, sir. I am not. I don't know that.
Well, okay. It can be entered. Prasenjit sir, where and all you can enter the estimated cost? Prasenjit sir.
Order.
Order. Where?
Order in the first tab.
Only the first tab, no other places.
In header tab.
Only header, no other places.
I think in
No other
material.
places. I don't know other places.
It is there, boss. It is there. You can enter in the costing tab. You have your right. Material wise, you can. Material means your valuation category wise, you can enter the estimated cost. See here.
Sir, your screen is unable to see, sir.
No one is able to see my screen.
No, I am able to see.
See here. You can enter here also estimated cost.
I'm able.
Right.
Yeah, sir. You should teach me. You are telling me.
Sir, everything. If I should remember, then I will become the teacher now.
Hey, you are a teacher for me, man. You know everything, man. You are thinking you don't know. You know everything.
Sir,
Two places you can enter this.
No. Sir, two places.
Yeah. I think I am. Yeah, madam. Any doubts or questions? Yesterday you didn't come. Did you went through new topics yesterday? But it was a good session related to costing. Me, Rajshekar, and Thiru and Prasenjit were discussing. I don't know whether you went through that yesterday. It was a kind of good discussion was going on. Kind of. It was some good discussion. Yeah, madam. Any questions and doubts, madam?
No, sir. Right. Nothing.
Did you practice? That is my question.
Yes, sir, but not completely. But I have some idea on all the topics, but not completely.
All the topics you have idea. Okay, let me
Not
know the
all the topics, but I just remember few things which I have written in my book and gone through.
See, writing is your book to remember. If you doubt to clarify, do hands-on practice. I am telling to everyone. Now also I was doing a marketing for my completed guy. Okay, he is giving the answer. Any question I am asking, he is thinking to miss and then he is giving the answer. It is very clear he had by-hearted and giving the answers. But 80% he is giving the answers. By-hearted giving answers. Confident of answer is not good. That's what I am telling to him till now. He's giving answers, by getting and giving the answers. That is not enough for the interview. You should have hands-on practice. What is MM derivation flow? Tell me, madam. MM derivation, do you know? Yes, no. No means I will go.
What is MM integration?
MM derivation flow.
No,
MM
sir.
derivation.
I don't
Tomorrow
know.
homework for you. Prepare MM derivation and come.
Okay, sir.
If I am not giving homework, you guys will not prepare. Tomorrow MM derivation and vendor warranty you need to tell tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. So today we'll start. Okay, so estimated cost, yes, Rajshekar told after edited you cannot modify the estimated cost. Okay, planned actual and estimated cost we had seen. Okay, so MM integration we did something, right? Okay. I think yesterday we seen service at sheet, I think so, right? Thiru, இருக்கீங்களா இல்லையா?
இருக்கும் சார்.
Yesterday we did the estimated cost service at flow, right? ML 81N. You seen the full flow, right? Rashaka, we did full flow yesterday? Rashaka, sir.
I am unable to see your. I am unable to see your screen, sir. Sharing screen. Just I will get back you.
Okay, fine. Okay, right. So we have three type of cost. Okay, labor, material, services that we already discussed. Okay, labor, material, stock and non-stock, item category L and N. Okay, and services, service and receipt. Okay, that is there, right? For labor flow, there is a logic. Okay, for labor flow, there is a logic. Okay, we'll discuss on that now. Okay, so anyone can tell me the important fields in the work center? Very important fields in the work center. Anyone? Or the key fields in the work center? Anyone can tell me the
Usage,
yes?
category,
What category?
Work center category.
Yes.
work center category.
Then madam, this and all is not enough. This and all is
Yes, sir.
nowhere.
Yes, sir.
You are only 30-40%. This and all is not enough. I am telling everyone to answer practice. Then I am not helpful for that. Okay, right. In the work center, okay, we have seen two important. Even in the class, I told the important topics. Okay, the Thiru unga side the sound. Okay, so in the work center, what is the T code for work center? Thiru, work center T code enna?
IR01.
Right. Solithinga எப்படியோ கஷ்டப்பட்டு right. Okay, in the work center, right, we had seen. One second, guys. 1 minute. Still, this dump issue is there. I thought that they fixed it. One sec. Okay. Okay. So in the work center, right? Okay. So if you go to the costing tab, we had seen cost center. We had seen cost center. Okay. And we had seen the activity type and formula during class going on. Okay. I'll take some other maybe that one. Yes, this is what here it will be there. Mechanic, it will have the proper data. Okay, you can see the cost center, you can see the activity type, you can see the formula. These two was discussed when the work center going on. These two are very important field I told during work center discussion. How many wrote in the note? Okay, right. So what is this activity type? Okay, what is this activity type? Okay, where it is coming? If we go to the worker IW32, if you go to the worker IW32, right? So if we go to the operation tab, you are entering this work center. This work center is coming from where? Anyone? This work center is coming from where? This work center is coming from where? Madam, Thiru, Grishma, sorry, Rajshekhar. This work center is coming from where?
Sir, I don't know, sir. I am not able to see your screen.
Disconnect the call again, join and try. Disconnect the call, join and try again. என்ன திரு உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா கிரீஷ்மா மேடம், do you know why where the work center it was discussed? Even someone told me the correct answer. அது திரு நீங்களே யாரோ சொன்னீங்க where the work center is coming from.
Yes, sir.
Grishma madam, this was discussed two
Yes,
classes or
sir.
something before. From where this work center is coming from? This maintenance order is done maintenance for which object, for which you are doing the maintenance?
Plan.
Hmm? What is technical object?
Equipment and functional location.
Okay, so this work center is coming from where if both are there?
Wait,
Hare Krishna, it is coming from the equipment master. Okay, this was
oh,
discussed. The last before class, I think so. This was discussed. Okay, not only your work center, not only your work center, your planner group here. Okay, if you see the go to the location tab, your cost center, your maintenance plan, all details will come from the equipment master. This I told
equipment.
already.
Yeah. Yes,
I
sir.
told.
Yes.
I told. Okay. So your maintenance actually here it is not properly maintained. I think so. Maintenance plan and all is not there maybe. Okay. It's empty. Henceforth it is not coming. Okay. Henceforth it is not coming. Okay. If you go to the equipment, you can see the work center. Okay. This work center. Normally it is empty. Okay. But it should pick from here. It is not. It is empty. Okay. Maybe they would have entered manually then. Okay. They would have entered manually this one. Okay. This work center. Okay, they would have entered manually. Okay, so coming to the point, if you come to the right side, there is a field activity type in the work center line. Normally, this work center will come from the equipment master. Okay, if the equipment is not there, maintenance is done only on the FL, so the data will be pulled from the FL. The data will be pulled from the FL. Okay, if the equipment is having data from the equipment, the work center will be coming. This is also your operation. This is first operation. Okay, so if you go to the operation, you have your operation, you have your activities here, and you can see the activity type here. Okay, so what is this activity type? What is this activity type? Okay, so in any company, okay, there will be security team, there will be gardening team, there will be plumbing team, there will be store team, there will be HR team. Okay, there will be cleaning team, there will be crane team. So every people will have the same salary. Will all the people have the same salary? No, the salary will differ, right? The salary will differ people to people, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, so this all people will be created as activity type by the finance team. This is called activity type. Okay, these people will be created as activity type by the finance team. Okay, T code to create the activity type is KL03. T code to create the that is not required. Just I'm telling for information purpose. Okay, KL03 is the T code, not required for us actually, just information telling. So, okay, so this activity type, okay, it's loading history. I don't know. Okay, we'll see. Okay. Okay, if you go to the year KL03, it will be created by finance, but it's not our work. Okay, so this will be created. Okay, so here if you see it is repair work. So if repair people work for them, the cost will come. Okay, right. So this activity type is maintained here in the work center. In the work center is maintained, right? So where I am going to maintain this cost for this activity type, it will be maintained in the for each not one activity. Okay, so you can have multiple activities also. Many means here also I think you can add more activity. Okay. Okay. Here you can maintain many activity type also. Okay. Right. So for this activity, cost will maintain in the T code KP26. Very important labor cost of flow. This is T code. Don't tell it is finance. If you tell finance in the interview, they will reject you. Okay. This is a MM PM FA integration. Everyone should know. Everyone should know. Okay. Prasenjit sir, are you there?
Sir, sir.
Sir, had you worked on this work center with multiple activity types here. Had you worked on it,
Sir,
project?
sir, I think I was coming to that point. Please. Oh, you're into work center, right? Na? Multiple activity. Yeah. I'll just check and I'll come. No.
ఏమి సార్ నువ్వు ఏమి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పలేదు you are not giving me any answers.
No,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I have never used this I have we define activity type, and then I thought that this is order. So I was just going to say that in order we can before operations we can use different activity types. So that I was going to say.
KP26. You know KP26, right?
Yeah.
Sir, I am thinking you are my boss. You are not.
No, I am you are my boss. I am not your boss.
Okay, so this will be created as activity type. Okay, for you guys, everyone. Okay, this will be created as activity type. That is FA activity. Okay, just information. I'm telling this to you. If you want, you write. Otherwise, don't write it. Not mandatory. Leave it KL03. If you want to write, otherwise, don't write. I'm telling for information purpose. Okay, so for this activity, it means repair people. So for the repair people, what is the cost? What is the money for? How much is the cost? Okay. So that will be maintained in the T code KP26. That will be made in the T code KP26. It is finance only, but you cannot escape in the interview. Okay, we need to know the KP flow, labor cost flow. Okay, so if you come here, version keep 0 always. Okay, from period January to period December. Okay, which year? Which year? Okay, so this is 2023, right? Okay, so come, you need to give the cost center. Okay, go to the work center cost center, paste it here. I told before also, I think so, work center cost center is nowhere related to settlement. Grishma, what is settlement? Grishma madam, what is settlement? Grishma madam.
Yes, sir.
What is settlement? Yes, no, something. No means I will go to the next one or I will continue. If you don't know, just tell no issues, not to.
No, sir.
Right, very good. Thiru, what is settlement?
The cost is going to settle.
Correct, you are coming, but you are not presenting properly. Going to settle
Where the
what?
cost is going to settle.
From where to where? Correct, you are telling
Yes.
correct. From where to which is the source, which is the destination, I'm asking.
From planned cost to actual cost.
Yo, Krishna. I think I need to get the intensity daily. Daily, I need to start shouting everyone. I think so. On a preparing properly. Settlement. Okay, cost from the PM module is settled to the finance. Okay, PM to finance. I told several times during work order discussion. From PM, the cost is settled to the finance. T code is KO doubled. Okay, T code is KO. You can see here cost from the PM to the finance. It is being settled. Cost cannot sit in the PM work order. It should be settled to the finance. That is done on the T code KO doubled. That is done on the T code KO doubled. That is called settlement. Okay. Okay. YA came here. I still don't know. Okay. Okay. Yeah, why I came, right? This work center cost center is not related to your settlement. This is only for your KP26 labor cost calculation. Okay, so yeah, I am giving the activity type here. So okay, for this activity type, okay, against this cost center for this period January to December in this year 2023, I am going to maintain the cost. Any questions on this field in this screen? Anyone? Any questions? Yeah, or not able to understand? I'm ready to explain. Anyone have any questions? From this period January to December for this year, for this work activity type. What is activity type? This is repair work. This repair work. For this repair work, I am going to maintain the cost here inside. Clear? Any questions on this screen? Anyone? Grishma, Thiru, Rajeshekar. Anyone have any questions here in this screen? I am going inside. No, I didn't maintain amount. I am going to maintain the cost. Anything here?
Sir, if from period and to period, if we can mention up to 6 months also.
Even 1 month also you can maintain. It's up to, it's
Yeah,
fine.
0 to 1.
Yeah, only 4th month if I want I can maintain issues.
Okay.
It's up to the business. If only 4th month I can maintain the cost. Only April month I can do. No issues on that.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Okay. So go inside. Okay. See here. This is the fact. We won't be doing the production. We won't be doing the project, but you should know the flow. You should know the flow, labor cost flow. If you don't know, you're not a pure PM consultant. Okay. So if we see here, for this activity, I'm going to maintain the price here, fixed and variable price. What is fixed, what is variable? That's not our matter. Leave it. Okay. Fixed means you guys know standard price, variable day by day or something. The cost will vary. So that is not our headache. Okay. Fixed and variable, but there are two fields. If you enter in any one of the field, so you are telling for this activity type repair hour, for this activity type repair hour, okay, so my cost will be 100 hours for per hour, 1 hour. Getting me? See here, 1 hour. திரு புரியுதா புரியலீங்களா இல்லைன்னா கேளுங்க.
ஸோ ஒரு வாட்டி எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுங்க, புரியல.
What is activity type? Did you understand this first? What is activity type?
எஸ் சார், டிஃப்ரெண்ட் பீப்புள்ஸ் ஒர்க் பண்ணுவாங்க சார், அதுக்கு
Different teams working. Okay, absolutely correct. People are team. Okay, different team working. So that you cannot keep the name like this. So they are keeping a professional word as activity type. Okay. So for each activity type, I need to maintain the cost, right? This cost. So that cost I am maintaining in KP26. Okay. I am maintaining in KP26. Where is that? Okay. So for this repair work,
yes,
add meeting Kadum. Okay. So for this April month, for this year 2023, for this activity, this is the cost against this cost center.
ஓகே,
புரியுதா புரியலையா திரு?
புரியுது சார், புரியுது சார்.
கிரீஷ்மா ராஜசேகர்.
Sir, the which cost that is sir, fixed or variable or actual?
Where is actual? There is no actual here. Where is actual field? There is no actual.
Allocation, sir. I think
Allocation cost element. Allocation cost element. That I will tell you.
Oh.
That I will tell you. Allocation cost element we'll discuss. We'll discuss. Okay. That is related to the settlement configuration tomorrow. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow. That is related to the settlement part. Okay. So fixed and variable are the fields. Anyone also you can manage. It's up to the finance again. Okay. You know what is fixed and variable, and fixed means fixed salary. Variable means maybe day wise they may change the salary. It is up to the finance. But any one field the cost should be there. Clear now? Anyone have any questions here?
No. Here.
Rajshekhar, Prasenjit sir, my boss.
No, sir. Clear, sir.
You know everything and simply you are
No. Clear, sir. I had some doubt. It was clear.
No, tell me what is your even. I will get clarified. What is your
No. I was confused here that whether we'll maintain every cost or not. So I was remembering, but
every cost means what you are trying to tell?
Fixed and variable, whether it is mandatory or not.
Any one is mandatory.
Yeah.
I don't know whether they will maintain two. That is finance again. It is up to the finance.
Right.
But one is mandatory.
Mm-hmm.
One is mandatory. Whether if two is there is no sense. We don't know whether there is a condition. It should take fixed and variable. That up to the finance. That is not our matter. Okay.
Right.
But any one of the field there should be value. So per hour it is again per hour.
But sir, one thing what I have seen is that once we maintain this fixed price, and when we use this activity type, then this price reflects in that planned cost.
Yeah,
but I don't know. Variable I've never seen. Means I have not.
It's up to the business again. Variable they are making. There is a flow. It's up to the business. This is what going to come to a planned cost. Absolutely. That is what we are discussing about.
Right.
This is what going to come for your planned cost of labor.
Yes.
That is what we are discussing now. Right, sir?
Yes, sir.
This I think so. Cost element. I think this.
I will learn from you. I don't know anything.
Arey, sir. You are
Sir, you teach,
lying,
sir, you teach, sir.
really lying, man. You are not even one day accepting, you know. Huh? Okay, we'll discuss that. Keep it apart. Okay, we'll discuss later. Okay. Okay, guys, Rajshekhar, Madam, Thiru, anyone have any questions? Why we are doing KP26? Anyone have any questions over here? Or what is KP26? Why you are doing? What is the flow? Anyone have any questions? Please ask me. I'm ready to help you. If anyone have any doubts on this, please let me know. Thiru, உங்களுக்கு தமிழ்ல சொல்லணுமா திரு?
சார் புரிஞ்சுது சார்.
Grishma madam, I don't know Telugu.
Okay, sir. But
No,
I'll
you're clear or not?
understand.
It's very important. That is what I'm asking. It's very important. That's what I'm. Labor cost flow, every PM consultant should know. FI integration. Labor cost flow. Rajshekhar.
Clear, sir.
Okay. So this activity type will be maintained in your work center. Okay. This activity type will be maintained in your work center. Okay. So when you are doing your maintenance, when you are doing your maintenance, equipment or FL, that's not about FL also the same. FL is having the work center. In the case, if you are doing maintenance on the FL, only FL, okay, this we already discussed. If you are doing maintenance only on the FL, it can take from the FL, no issues. Okay. Sorry. I'll take something here, right? So here also the same case. It will take the work center. Which work center? Which work center? There are two work centers in the technical object. What are the two work centers?
One is related to PP, sir.
Sorry.
One is related to PP module, and in main work center actually for PM module.
Okay, so which it will take now?
Now from our PM perspective only, sir.
Absolutely. Take from here. It will take from your main work center. Okay. So in the main work center, see your same work center. If you go inside, in the costing tab, you have your activity type and formula. This formula is very, very important. If you are not maintaining this formula, your cost will not trigger. Clear, everyone? If you are not maintaining this SAP 008, your labor cost will not flow. Clear? Please write in your hand note. If you are not able to understand things, you can ask me. I'm ready to explain you. Tamil, English, I can explain. Other language, I don't know. This formula should be there, sir, mandatory. If you are not maintaining the formula, your labor cost will not flow. Clear? All are clear?
Sir.
So in your work center, in the work order, equipment FL, go inside, go to the organization, you have a PM work center. This work center will come and sit in your work order operation. This we know. Here you have the activity type. Okay. I will save and come again. We'll create a new line item and see. We'll see. Okay. Go to operation. Okay. So okay, I'll enter some data. Okay. So what is our equipment or your right? This is the work center, right? Go here, give here, press enter. Got it? When I enter the work center there, its activity type is coming here. Clear? Everyone. When I enter this work center, this activity type is coming because this work center is having this activity type. Anyone have any questions on this?
Got it, sir.
Go to the cost center. Okay. Go to here. Your labor, it is 0 now. It is 0 now, right? It is saved your KP26. Save it first. Okay. I'm saving this. I maintain the cost here. Okay. Go here. Where is your work order? Yeah, this is 0 now. Okay. This is 0 now. This field I'm telling labor cost, plant cost I'm discussing now. Okay. So come here, it is 0 now. Go to the operation. I maintain this work center. This work center is having the activity type in the costing tab. Give work to, press enter. Calculation executed. Go to the cost. Okay. Determine cost. You got it? The plant cost changes from 0 to 800. Clear, everyone? How the labor cost is coming? Because it is adding this two fixed and variable. It is adding 300 plus 100, 400. 400 into 2, 800. Because here the work field I gave 2. 300 plus 100, 400. 400 to 2 are 800. So 800 labor cost is coming only for labor. Any questions on this, anyone? Please let me know. I am ready to explain again. Anyone you are not able to understand, please let me know. I am ready to explain.
Sir, what is the difference between the fixed price and the variable price?
Really, I don't know. Fixed is salary. Variable, it depends. People to people, it will vary. Maybe I don't know. Variable means the salary will vary day to day or depends on the people or something.
Okay.
That is up to finance. That is not our ethic. See,
Okay.
even in into you don't want to tell fixed and variable. In KP26, for my activity type, cost will be maintained. That is what you need to tell. You don't want to tell activity, it's a fixed and variable price. You don't tell. That
Okay.
is not our also. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
What is activity type? We should be very clear. This activity type is maintained in your work center costing tab, right? Cost center activity type. This activity type against this cost center. Against this cost center. Be very, very clear. Why I am telling again this? This cost center is not coming for the settlement. Settlement where it will come? It will come from your execution master. Here, both need not to be same. All are getting me. Settlement
Yes,
KO we are doing right. Both need not to be same. This work center cost center is only for calculation. That's all. Its work is completed. Work is completed. The KP26, this cost center work is completed. This is not related to settlement.
Okay, sir.
KOW, T code KOW settlement I am telling. Grishma madam, are you getting something or you are getting confused?
Okay, sir. I will go through. After the class, I will sit to it.
Yeah. You can see here. See this, sit and read. Okay. Actual cost for labor will appear only confirmation is done. Actual cost. What we discussed till now is planned cost. Till now is planned cost. When you do the confirmation, then only actual cost will come. That we already discussed. Remember? Till this only planned cost. Actual cost will come for labor when you do confirmation only. Are you clear on this, everyone? Or any
Yes,
doubt,
sir.
Rajeshekar, Thiru, madam? IW 41, 44. If you do the confirmation, then the actual cost will come. Otherwise, only planned cost will stand. Planned cost only information purpose. This is not related to settlement. Clear? Anyone, any questions?
No, sir.
Prasenjit sir, any additions?
No, sir, fine.
Okay, and one more thing. Okay, it's not mandatory. Okay, in my work order. Okay, if you see the work order, right? It's not mandatory. I need to have only one work center. Okay, I can have different work center. Each work center may have different activity type. It can be there. Getting my point, right? Here one work center, here one work center. It can vary. There is no issues on this. Why this is opened? I don't know. What I'm telling, it's not compulsory. I need to use the same work center. I can use different work centers. So if you are using the next work center, that work center should have active type in his costing tab. Then only it will trigger. Getting me? Grishma Ravishekar through. Getting me?
Yes, sir. Simply,
Okay,
sir,
that is
without
what.
activity type, we are not able to get labor cost. That's it.
Absolutely, you will not get.
Yes.
Absolutely, you will not get. Activity type is the main matter. This formula we don't
yes,
tell
SAP.
only always when you're telling activity type, tell activity type and formula. Don't tell only activity type. Don't tell activity type. Activity type and formula. That is what if we see in the work center itself. When I started the initial work center activity type and formula, I would have written initially. If we see initial days, I won't enter anytime only activity type. Always I will write activity type and formula. You can check and see the initial videos also. I would have entered activity type and formula. See? Got it?
Sir.
I won't leave the formula anywhere. Equally important. If you are not maintaining your SAP 08008, you maintain activity type, you maintain characteristics, you do anything, your cost will not come. Total labor cost row is sitting on that field formula. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone have any questions on this? Okay. So the work order operation line item will have work center. See, this and all you will not get so much description outside in the market. I'm not like really, I'm telling. Okay. So this work center, see, generally pick it from the equipment, and if not available, it will be picked from the FL. In the operation line, we can modify any work center which is having work center category related to PM. This is what I told. Each line item, if you want, you can modify your work center. I told now, right? Work center operation line item will have work center. In work center costing tab, we have cost center and activity type formula SAP 008. SAP 008 will be decided by the finance team. Cost center cost for each activity type with respect to cost center is maintained in KP26. This is what I'm telling. Okay. If two activity types are in work center, according to the work we are doing, the respective activity is showing the operation line item. Okay. That is what I told here. You can maintain more than one activity type here. Okay, the work center, you can maintain more than one activity type. That also possible. In that case, in the work order, you need to come and modify your activity type. If two work orders are there, two activity types are there. Where is my work order? This is this field. Where is my this one now? This one now. Maybe this one. Yeah, here you can come and change the activity type if required. Okay, you can come and change the activity type if you want. You can come and modify the activity type if you want, but it should be in this work center. It should be in this work center, particular line item work center. This is what the labor cost. So formulas maintain. Okay, this is the flow I told. This version is always 0. Okay, leave it. And year and month, year, cost center from the work center, activity type. What is the activity type? I give an example. Cost. Okay, that is KL0 not required. If you want to remember, no issues. Okay, KP26. Okay, cost is maintained per hour. Okay, so this is what I told. Work center cost center is only for labor cost calculation, only for KP26, is not related to settlement KO tablet. This is the labor cost flow. Anyone have any questions? Let me know. Mandatory hot topic PM to F integration you should know before going to the interview. If you don't know the labor cost flow, don't go for the interview. That's all for today. Any questions on labor cost flow, I can explain again. Prasenjit sir, anything to add, sir?
No, sir. Perfect, sir.
Write in your handout formula SAP 008 mandatory. Formula SAP 008 mandatory. The work center IR 0203. Mandatory SAP 008. See here you can maintain labor. Okay. Machine. That is labor. Maybe I need to write manually. Oh, I think I need to write manually. But you can maintain more accurate. Even I had not worked on any project lately, but you can maintain actually. Labor. Even that's what I asked Prasad whether he had worked. Very, very rare. One worker can have multiple activities as per my knowledge. But practically even I had not worked. Prasad also not worked. Fine, guys. Any questions for today? If not, we can close the call. Even if you have doubt, you can ask me tomorrow. I'm ready to explain tomorrow also. In case if you have doubts.
Sir, in that costing, HRMS is for only attendance purpose, right?
HRMS, I cannot see. HRMS, you are adding the resource. Tell me.
அதுதான் சார் இப்போ நம்ம அதுக்கு அட்டனன்ஸ் மாதிரி தான் வெயிட் மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுறோம் கரெக்டுங்களா?
See, attendance is again is a separate topic. Timesheets and CATs. Okay, that is HR integration. Okay. But Sanjit, are you sure the resources which is not added in the HRMS can be entered in timesheet, or you are aware of it? Any idea?
No. CAT, na? CATs.
Yeah.
Without maintaining here also for attendance that you don't require
HR. Not mandatory.
No.
அதான் அங்க mandatory கிடையாது. அங்க இல்லனாலும் நீங்க attendance போடலாம். அது வந்து time sheet and CAT, that is HR integration. That is different topic. So name is not mandatory. HRMS is only information purpose. These are my resources who is working in the work center.
Okay.
So anyone have any questions here? Again, if not, we can close the call, or any doubts you can let me know. Tomorrow we'll discuss on this. See, here everything is there. See, you see this work center activity type. Okay. So fixed rate, variable rate. Okay. So this is related to settlement actually. This is related to settlement. Okay. That we'll discuss during settlement. See here. Price. This is for settlement. That we'll discuss tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Again, here settlement is their activity type. Prasenjit, in KL03 you have the cost element. Okay. Prasenjit.
Sir.
KL03 you have the cost element. Okay. This cost element will come to your KP26, and this cost element will be related to the cost center of your valuation category. KOW configuration I'm telling.
Okay.
Cost center to cost element. Value, what is value category? Don't tell I don't know. Sorry. This is what I'm telling. Valuation category. To here only your cost is flowing out. KOW configuration. Sir, Prasenjit sir.
Right. Or sir, sorry. Tell.
I'm asking what is value category. You are not opening the mouth.
Sir, value category in cost for cost element value categories, right?
Yes.
Sir, basically definition I'll tell, but let me.
You are not sitting next to me.
Sir, basically
it is not definition. Value category.
No. Means where we there are three. What I know is that there are three value categories. One is internal services, one is material cost, and one is external services. Whether it is right?
Internal services,
external services, and material cost.
Again, tell all three.
Internal services, external services, and material cost.
Internal services in the means, what is the meaning of it?
Sir, means your own you do PM01. It is only internal services only.
Labor. Tell me internal labor. Labor. Why you are making others confused?
No.
Labor cost.
What I know, sir, I told you. It's like
make others understand, right? It is a labor. What we are discussing now, KP26 flow. Okay. Right. Other than that, there is overhead. Okay. What is overhead? Do you know? Overhead is the miscellaneous charges. Okay, it is the miscellaneous. That we'll discuss. Anyhow, we are good. Others can drop if anyone have any questions. Okay. I think madam dropped already. She's not feeling well, she told actually. Okay. Okay, I am stopping there. Any questions, Rajeshekar and through? Any questions?
No, sir.
Sir, after practice tomorrow.
You are telling the same today. I asked you, told you didn't practice. When you are going to practice, God only knows. FI integration very, very important. If you don't know, don't go to the interview. FI integration, if you don't know, don't go to the interview. I'm telling very, very clearly. Very clearly, I'm telling you. If you don't know FI integration, don't go to the interview. I told this guy, he attended a market, I told him, don't go to the interview. You need to do hands-on practice, I told him. You are not ready for the interview, I told him. You cannot go now. He is telling theoretical answers. He is not ready to go to the interview now. Yeah. So, okay, guys. Others can drop. I am stopping the recording.